If there are settings which you use in most or in all of your projects, in Synkronizer you have the option to replace the original factory settings with your own default settings. Let me show you in an example how to do that. Let's assume you always like to include comments and Excel names. The formats, you have always numbers and alignments you like to compare, and the filter setting is ignore case, ignore white space, and ignore the data type. As a report for your project, you would like to have a standard workbook as a report, the standard highlighting, which is set as default already, so nothing to do here, and the outlining, you would like to include missing columns and missing rows. So these are the settings you use in most or in all of your projects. Now to save them as a new default, go to Project, Settings, and click Save Project as a default. Let's start a new project, and as you can see, all your settings are fixed and set already. Now, if there is a project where you like to modify the new default settings, just click and disable for this specific project. It doesn't really affect the default setting which you set earlier unless you change them as a new default. If you like to change it back to the original factory settings, just go to Project, Settings, and click Reset to the default factory settings. If you start now a new project, all the settings are back to the original factory settings. Thank you for watching.